Shiba Inu right now is running over 7.5% up on the day. What's going on? And is Shibarium really being talked about launching today? Well, there is some pretty big news for Shiba Inu. You're going to want to watch this video all the way to the end. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with everything going on with Shib, Luna Classic, as well as the rest of the cryptocurrency market. Now, with that being said, let's dive into it. So you can see this massive spike. We're on the daily chart here for Shib. This big spike up today. We came down, nearly tested the 50-day EMA, bounced off aggressively on the back of two pretty big bits of news for Shiba Inu. Currently trading 13.06. You can see there 7.2% up. Now, what has the news been? We're not going to mess around on this channel. We're going to get straight into it. And ultimately, we got this from Binance. Crypto exchange Binance as Shiba Inu and 3 other altcoins as verifiable digital assets. Now, it says the world's largest crypto exchange platform by volume is adding Shiba Inu and 3 other altcoins to its list of verifiable crypto assets. It's now company's blog post. Binance says it's introducing zero knowledge snarks, a verification method that keeps information secure to its proof of reserve identification system. Binance also says it's adding 4 altcoins, including Shib, Polkadot, and Ethereum Challenger, and Solana, as well as the fan token-focused crypto project Chiliz. Continuing the efforts in providing transparency to user funds, Binance is excited to introduce ZK Snarks, a zero-knowledge verification method that keeps sensitive information private and more secure. Into its proof of reserve verification system. So anything to do with Binance, anything that Binance touches, anything that is basically linked to a development on their platform will always send the price big. It's got a $55 billion backed assets and people use Binance. It's one of the most accessible exchanges out there. Now, you know my view. I think crypto.com could be absolutely one of those that could really challenge Binance. But right now, Binance is the industry standard for basically using and getting those coins. It says Binance plans to add more tokens to the POR system in the weeks ahead and will continue to make a verification function more reliable, secure, and private. It would be great to see Luna Classic as an example verifiable over on Binance. Well, what has it done? When we come over here, you can see Shiba Inu sits at the 13th highest ranked cryptocurrency, up 6.5%. Again, 2.78 up on volume, $506 million. Now, this isn't where it ends for Shiba Inu. There is obviously the talk about Shibarium. Now, the original dates that were posted to us was a nod to potentially seeing the 14th. Valentine's Day, for all you love hearts out there, could see the launch of Shibarium. Now, we got some news this morning that ultimately talked about Shibarium potentially even coming today, February the 10th. Now, I don't believe this, the same as I don't actually believe that it will come out on the February the 14th. If you're joining my live stream, 4 p.m. Eastern, you all know what my strategy is with Shiba Inu coming over the course of the next 2 or 3 days. But it says major Shib themed but not related to the platform or the devs account. The Shib Dream has tweeted that there may be 2 possible dates of the Shibarium release. Both of them are in February, but one is today and the other one is next Tuesday, being the 14th. The hints that about these 2 days were dropped by the lead developer Satoshi Kusama, a pseudonym, in a text added to his bio on Twitter. One of them, Valentine's Day, has already been widely discussed by the Shib army. However, at Shib Dream pointed out that there may be a hint to another date mentioned next to Feb 14th. Japanese Flute Day is potentially the Shibarium release day. According to the comment by the @ShibDream user to his own tweet, one of the days on which layer 2 protocol Shibarium may be launched is today, February 10th. They say the hint is in text added by Satoshi Kusama in his Twitter bio. In the second half of January, the Shib lead developer wrote that he was learning to play the flute before putting Shibarium in the heart-shaped box with a bow. Now, as of yet, Shibarium has not launched. We haven't seen it come out, and equally, we haven't really seen anything to come out of Satoshi Kusama. You can see here, this is ultimately where we saw the tweet coming out from him. Again, here, putting Shibarium in heart-shaped box. You can see the tweet is under here. So, we haven't had it yet. Do I think it's going to come out? Probably not. Again, I think it's going to be interesting as we head towards the 13th. The market, though, is really starting to recover, certainly when it comes to things like Shiba Inu, as well as USTC and Lunk. I've got a video coming out about them very, very soon. Now, here is the risk you have with Shiba Inu. If it doesn't launch today, if Shibarium doesn't launch on Tuesday, then I would expect a pretty big correction on Shiba Inu. This is a massive pump, completely out of kilter with the rest of the market. As we know, the rest rest of the market on the back of the SEC news around staking has taken a pretty big hit. So time will tell. Trade very carefully right now with Shiba Inu. I think there is some money to be made. There is certainly a potential of buying the rumors, selling the news, depending on how you believe it. But look, subscribe to the channel. We'll keep you updated with everything as it comes out. Likewise, follow me on Twitter. You can see it up here at 2bitcrypto_YT. That's going to keep you up to date with exactly what's going on in the markets to try and make the best decisions if you are holding things like Shiba Inu or Bone. Now, Bone has had a good move as well, $1.52, and you can totally see that people believe Shibarium is coming because Bone is moving as well as Shiba Inu, as well as Leash. Anything attached to the Shiba ecosystem is certainly having a positive move, which is, like we said, out of kilter with the rest of the market. You can see Bitcoin here at 21.6 is probably going to mint another red candle. Likewise here, we're down at 1.01 trillion, down another 1.22%. So they are bucking the trend, albeit we are starting to see a slight correction in the market. Do we go into another bullish weekend? Potentially. Would that be the right time to launch Shibarium coming out of a strong weekend? In my opinion, absolutely, but time is going to tell. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. Do you believe we're going to get Shibarium today? Do you believe it's going to be the 14th? Let me know in the comments. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, drop a like on the video if you found it useful. Have a great day. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.